And here we are at the Renaissance in Curacao. This is an ocean view room with a balcony. Start off in the bathroom. There is a private door. Got a spacious countertop there with a vanity mirror and a hairdryer down below, lots of towels, and shower, and then separate toilet over there. You've got closet here, which has bathrobes in it and lots of hangers. And then you've got the, this is a king bedroom. You can see there's a iPod docking station just over there. Here we have your ice bucket, safe, and fridge, which is empty. This is not an all-inclusive hotel, so you can fill it with your treats and snacks. Got the coffee station here, which has the fancy coffee maker. You do get a couple of bottles of water to upon arrival, which is very nice. Room service menu, sitting area, and free Wi-Fi. And let's take a look at this amazing view. You're just sitting, a couple of chairs out here, but look at this. You're gonna have the cruise ships are gonna come in right here. And then you've got this infinity pool overlooking the ocean. So restaurants and shopping right at your feet. Absolutely gorgeous. There you go. What are you waiting for? Come on down.